Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which my president, which the Excellency, the President of the Republic of Indonesia, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia to the Republic of Fiji. I also present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the Government of the people of the Republic of Indonesia, our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Welcome to Fiji.
Thank you.
Master. Congratulations.
Thank you, Excellency.
So nice to have you.
Thank you, Excellency.
It's like a compliment. May I present my wife? This is Roden.
Madam,
Master.
and Benyamin. This is my wife,
Ma'am.
Esther.
Esther. I'm trying to think of my wife. So much fun.
Bula.